Many of you just phone me, ma'am, this idea, that idea I have written for task 2, and this is the only channel where you will come to know how to correct your task 2. And of course, I will be telling you the review. If I take the task 2 of general, it was repeated, and it is about sports being banned, whether it is, it has become competitive and whether they should be banned or not. That video is already, I've uploaded, so I'm not going to discuss that. You can go back and I think it was on the 30th or 18th of April. It is a repeated one for the general one. Now for the task 2, I'll explain. Some of you have got confused. I'll give you the ideas for both the sides and the reasons. You can check. And if you have not given your IELTS, it is a good idea to just go through this video. And then I will be telling you about the listening and the reading, what type of it was. So first, let me tell you the task 2, the ideas, and you can correct it. And the question, an increasing number of people are choosing to have cosmetic surgery. Beta, cosmetic surgery is the physical appearance. Actors karwa rahe na, nose theek karwa lete hain, and then they want to appear very beautiful, like they will even go for liposuction, fat removal, like that. That is cosmetic, the physical appearance, and also for other reasons which I'll be discussing. First, we'll go through the question. To improve their appearance, why do people have operations to change the way they look? Do you think it is positive or negative? Ab aapko, you don't have to write both positive and negative. Understand the question. You are committing lot of mistakes, and then you don't know what is, you're saying it is just a surgery. It's a cosmetic surgery. So if you're just writing about surgery general, then it is out of the topic. Children, be very careful. As an ex-IELTS examiner, I can tell you it is off the topic, and then you will say, मैम मैंने तो बहुत अच्छा लिखा था, पता नहीं मेरे को बैंड क्यों नहीं आया. आप क्वेश्चन तो पढ़ो, and then you will write the positive and the negative. It is an opinion. They are asking you an opinion whether it is positive or negative. Anyway, you can check. I will give you 5 positives and 5 negatives. You can see with the topic vocabulary. You can see whether it is correct or wrong, whatever idea you have written. So first I will do the positive, right? The improved quality of life. Now this is the topic vocabulary. Like, it can alleviate physical discomfort or limitations caused by certain dysfunctions or features, like rhinoplasty hoti hai bete, to correct the breathing problems, or sometimes even there's a back problem, there's a lot of fat, so liposuction is there so that the fat is removed and there's no back pain. So the quality of life will improve. Emotional well-being, enhancing one's appearance, है ना, अगर आप सुंदर लग रहे हो तो, through cosmetic surgery can lead to a greater sense of happiness and satisfaction with life. Socially acceptance, you are accepted socially, because in societies where beauty standards heavily influence social interactions and opportunities, cosmetic surgery can help individuals to conform, means to meet these standards and feel accepted. ये जो zero sides चलता है ना, so you should be very thin, the females, the nose should not be this, that, वो social acceptance, okay? तो ये जो पॉजिटिव मैं फीचर्स आपको बता रही हूँ ना, these can also be the reasons, because they are saying what are the reasons, what is it, a positive or negative. Okay, then personal empowerment. Choosing to undergo this surgery is often seen as self empowerment, you can say. मतलब आप confident feel करते हो, allowing the individuals to take control of their bodies and make decisions that align with their desire. Suppose you want to be a model and therefore you want to have some feature corrected, so your desire. Then corrective purposes. This is also the reason. Cosmetic surgery can be used for reconstructive purposes फॉलोइंग एक्सीडेंट हो जाता है, कोई इंजरी हो जाती है, कोई मेडिकल कंडीशन, रिस्टोरिंग बोथ द फिजिकल अपीयरेंस एंड फंक्शनैलिटी, मीन्स इवन द फंक्शन इज इम्प्रूव्ड. कोई एक्सीडेंट हो जाता है. ओके, नाउ नेगेटिव क्या है इसका? फाइनेंशियल बर्डन, इट्स नॉट चीप, and making it inaccessible to those who cannot afford it, and it can lead to financial strain. These are the topic vocabulary, and because you have to undergo multiple procedures. Then unrealistic expectations. So some of them, they say मेरा तो ऐसा ही होना चाहिए. It's unrealistic about the outcomes of cosmetic surgery. है ना? तो is there is something goes wrong, so it leads to disappointment, dissatisfaction, and also depression. These actor and actresses, they go and do this plastic surgery again and again. तो क्या होता है? उनको डिप्रेशन भी हो जाता है. Then social stigma, डिस्पाइट बिकमिंग इंक्रीजिंगली कॉमन, ये देखना थोड़ा सा मैंने लिखा है, देर इज स्टिल अ स्टिग्मा अटैच टू कॉस्मेटिक सर्जरी इन सम कल्चर्स. किसी कल्चर में स्टिग्मा मीन्स इट्स नॉट, अच्छा नहीं माना जाता जो सोसाइटी में, उसको कहते हैं स्टिग्मा, which can lead to judgment and discrimination against those who undergo these procedures. वो तो बहुत वैसे हैं, she is undergoing this treatment, she is not a good lady or he is not a good male. I mean character पे भी आ जाता है. Then permanent changes, unlike temporary cosmetic enhancements like makeup or style, hair style आप कर लो, चलो वो तो temporary होता है. The result of cosmetic surgery is permanent. It does not leave any little room for reversal. You can't reverse it if individuals are unhappy with the outcome. Concerns. There's a ethical consideration surrounding this cosmetic surgery, especially in cases where it is performed on the minors. Okay, that means बच्चों पे भी, and when the procedures they can pose unnecessary risks to the patient's health and well-being, and that is also a negative effect of this cosmetic surgery. And now the listening they say was a bit easy for two of the students who have talked to, but one said it was difficult, especially the last one, but then it depends on your preparation. And now again reading was from easy to moderate, so some found it difficult also. So all depends upon your preparation, child. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, and if you want any coaching, evaluation from an ex-IELTS examiner, I'm there for you. God bless you all and all the best.